guys, Jeff Gibson here, owner of Copper Tree Roofing. We're coming to you from Keller, Texas today. I mean, we get asked all the time, what type of roofs do we do? Well, we do all types of roofs. Flat roofs, high-pitched roofs, we do residential roofs, shopping malls, we do metal, we do it all. And until this morning, I couldn't say, but now we can. We do round roofs. What's so interesting about this project, with it being a round house, and obviously there's lots of different challenges that come with that. What's really neat about this as well is the challenges that the insurance company created. If you can believe it, this house originally started at 20-something thousand. Well, fortunately for the customer, they shared their claim documents with us, and lo and behold, we found $40,000 worth of missing scope of work. That's right, you heard me right. This claim ended up at $66,000. The original claim documents had only one skylight at $480. Well, that's ridiculous. These are completely custom. These skylights cost $5,000. Long ways from $480, and certainly that's a big part of the $40,000 that we actually supplemented for. One of the greatest things that we found while we were supplementing this claim and this project was actually the fact that this roof had an impact rated shingle. Well, we didn't know that, the adjuster didn't know that, the carrier didn't know that, and most importantly, the customer didn't know that. So nobody knew. So here we are today, we're putting on their new impact rated shingle, and what I think is probably the greatest part about this is that not only does the insurance company owe them for like, kind, and quality, but now that carrier, that same carrier that's paying for the new roof, now gets to give them a monthly discount on their premium because they have an impact rated shingle. It is so important for you to share your claim documents with your contractor. And this project is another perfect example of that. Because had they not shared the claim documents with us, we would have only stuck to the house, which naturally, that makes sense. However, when we got the claim documents, we noticed that an entire structure was missing from their property. It was crazy. I don't even understand, how do you miss an entire structure? It's a 25 square metal building at the rear of the property. How is that not included? Well, obviously that has hail damage on it. If the house has hail damage, doesn't the metal roof have hail damage? You darn right it did, and we got it covered. So what kind of story do you have? This project's an awesome story. It's a great story to triple a claim. Well, that's because every customer, every insurance company, every project, every house, every property has its own story. We will do everything we can do to make your story have a happy ending. Copper Tree Roofing, we're building trust one roof at a time.